Today, we're diving into the OnePlus 13S, a sleek, powerful powerhouse that's actually a rebranded version of the OnePlus 13T. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite Edition and a massive 260 mAh battery packed into a compact design, this phone promises blazing performance and unbeatable endurance. Plus, it's launching globally on June, so stay tuned as we unbox it, test its gaming chops, battery life, and all the features that make the 13S a small screen giant. Don't miss a second. Let's jump right in. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. Big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The OnePlus 13T comes in the brand's signature minimalist red box, globally branded as the OnePlus 13S. Inside, you'll find the iconic red data cable and an 80-watt SuperVoost fast charger for blazing fast power. This time, OnePlus has embraced a bold new design language. The rear deco features a metal Rubik's Cube look with sharper lines that perfectly match the angular flat display, reminiscent of the iPhone 16 Pro. The silver gray variant in hand, officially named Morning Mist, debuts a new coral velvet glass finish. It looks like glass but feels soft and velvety to the touch. Cool, premium, and unmistakably refined. From now on, I'm calling the 13S the iPhone of Android. The OnePlus 13S features a compact 6.32-inch flat display with ultra-slim bezels, refreshingly small in today's world of oversized phones. It's a newly customized 1.5K AMOLED screen, offering A++ clarity and excellent power efficiency. Weighing just 185 grams, it maintains a balanced 50-50 design without a bulky camera bump, delivering a first-class in-hand feel. On the left, the iconic 3-stage alert slider has evolved into a customizable shortcut key. Beyond mute and do not disturb, you can assign functions like quick screenshots, voice recording, translation, and more. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who values productivity on the go. At its core, the OnePlus 13S is all about compact power. Small screen, big performance. It's powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Edition, delivering flagship-level speed in a sleek form. OnePlus sticks to its powerhouse combo, 16GB LPDDR5X RAM with 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, delivering top-tier performance. In gaming tests, Honor of Kings runs at a steady 120 FPS with ultra graphics enabled. After a full match, the phone stays cool at just 36 degrees Celsius. This kind of flagship power handles classic games effortlessly. Honestly, the phone runs so cool, it feels like it could catch a cold. Running Genshin Impact at max settings for 30 minutes in Sumeru City, the OnePlus 13S holds a rock-solid 60 FPS, even at a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Bezel, nowhere near the phone's thermal limits. Smooth, stable, and impressively cool under pressure. Pushing things further, the OnePlus 13S uses its self-developed Fengqi game engine, similar to DLSS on NVIDIA GPUs, to unlock Genshin Impact at 120 FPS in 1.5K resolution. The result, a full-performance, ultra-smooth gaming experience. Even after 30 minutes of high-intensity gameplay in Sumeru City at room temperature, 25 degrees Celsius, the phone holds a steady 120 FPS. The GPU peaked at 57 degrees Celsius, with the frame hitting 41 degrees Celsius near the top bezel, warm but controlled. Simply put, that the OnePlus 13S isn't just compact, it's a small-screen gaming powerhouse that fully conquers Genshin Impact at 120 FPS. The OnePlus 13S debuts a massive 4400mm glacial VC cooling system, highly effective at keeping temps in check. Heat concentrates near the top bezel, away from your grip, ensuring a comfortable gaming experience even during extended sessions. With this level of efficiency, the 13S stays cool even in a summer dorm without AC. Powerful, compact, and cool under pressure, it's truly a small-screen performance beast. Battery life, something every student cares about. In real-world scenarios like video streaming, chatting, and light gaming, the OnePlus 13S excels. Playing Golden Shovel at 60 FPS for 30 minutes consumed just 168 mAh, only about 5% of the battery. For everyday use, like streaming 1080p video at 50% brightness and Wi-Fi, it lost just 4% in an hour. To put that into perspective, game for 8 hours straight and you'll still have 20% battery left. Head to dinner and your phone's still not tired, it can stream for another 5 hours. Small screen, massive endurance. The OnePlus 13S is a true battery beast. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Edition and a large 6260 mAh battery, the OnePlus 13S delivers serious endurance in a compact body. It also features a bypass charging mode, reducing heat during gameplay, extending battery health, and enhancing your overall gaming experience. Compact yet powerful, it's the ultimate early Gen Z survival tool. Built for gamers, students, and anyone who wants flagship performance with all-day battery life. The OnePlus 13T launches in China starting at 3,999 yuan, which converts to approximately 412 pounds in the UK and $555 in the US, offering impressive flagship value across markets. That's a wrap on the OnePlus 13S, a compact powerhouse with flagship performance, impressive battery life, and smart features like bypass charging to keep you gaming longer and cooler. If you're looking for a small screen device that doesn't compromise on speed or endurance, the 13S is definitely worth your attention. Remember, it officially launches worldwide on June 13th, so keep an eye out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.